Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download the Citi Mobile app for credit card alerts. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download the Citi Mobile app for credit card alerts, first, unlock your smartphone. Locate the App Store on your device. For iPhone users, this is the App Store. If you're using an Android device, find the Google Play Store. Once you've opened the App Store, look for the search bar at the top. Type in Citi Mobile and tap the search button. You will see a list of apps related to Citi. Identify the official Citi Mobile app, which features the Citi logo. Tap on the app to view its details. Check the app's rating and reviews to ensure it's the right one. If you're satisfied, look for the download or install button. Tap on this button to begin the download process. Wait for the app to finish downloading and installing on your device. Once installed, locate the Citi Mobile app icon on your home screen. Tap the icon to open the app. You will be prompted to log in or create a new account if you're a first-time user. Follow the on-screen instructions to log in or sign up. After logging in, navigate to the Settings or Alerts section within the app. Here, you can customize your credit card alerts according to your preferences. Be sure to enable notifications to receive timely alerts. You are now set up to receive credit card alerts through the Citi Mobile app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.